Hey guys, so welcome back. So let me tell you guys what's happening here, okay? A little something I like to call the cascading effect. I pulled the engine out of Reaper for something simple. We got a new transmission for it. Look at it.
As I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yes. So I just pulled the engine so that way we could do the transmission, and because I was getting ready to do this tubular kit, I was like, well, that just makes perfect sense, right? The tubular kits, you got to cut the whole front of the car off. Makes easy access. It's one of those things, like that's the only thing I was planning on doing, but then it turned into, well, since I've got the engine out, I can cut the cowl out. And then since I've got the engine out, I can go ahead and tear it apart, and I can go ahead and gap the piston rings in case we want to do a turbo later on or something. So like one thing after another whenever you start something very simple like that. So, but it does make sense. I mean, might as well do it all of it while the engine's out, so that way we're not doing it multiple times. So let's crack this thing open, see what it looks like, and see about maybe gapping those plugs. There we go. Yeah.
24 hours later.
What do you guys think? How's those bearings look? We've got one piston out, so now we're going to check the ring gap.
Okay guys, stay tuned because the next video is going to be how to do the ring gap, and of course a video of me of doing the ring gap. And I show you a very unconventional way of getting the ring gap. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.